back, my friends, and happy Monday. This is Lindsay bringing you more work from home job leads to start the week off. I have been reading the comments, and I know my international viewers are looking for something that is geared towards them. Even though if you are in the United States, you can still apply to these. Here is 3 work from home jobs hiring right now, and they're hiring worldwide. So no matter where you are, you should be able to apply to these as long as you meet the qualifications. So we'll keep this video as short as possible. So let's just dive on in. First up, the company Science Exchange is hiring a billing support specialist. Now, this is 100% remote. They're looking for someone who is proactive, organized, and thrives in a fast-paced and challenging environment. But the job is specifically to manage inbound calls and their ticketing system to maintain detailed logs of their customer interactions. You'll provide customers with outstanding service throughout payment stages of their experience and quickly resolve any financial and payment issues that they have. That is going to require you to build trust with the clients and follow the company policies. You'll assist with any other financial and customer support task as needed. So this position is going to require an undergraduate degree. It does not say what field it needs to be in, although they do want you to have experience both in inbound call centers and with finance and finance inquiries. Someone who has excellent verbal and written communication skills and has outstanding organizational skills. Now, unfortunately, because this is a worldwide position, they do not list the pay. That is dependent on several factors, including location that you are in within the country that you're in, and the experience you bring to the table. So salary will need to be discussed at the time of the interview. Next up, if you know a little bit about the internet and SEO, then the company Clever Tech is hiring a Google Analytics SEO specialist. They are specifically looking for someone to define, set up, and track traffic metrics for online websites and things, develop optimization strategies for the company's website, and help get it in the search engine rankings. Someone who has a deep understanding of data relationships, someone who can stay up to date on SEO best practices, and someone who has the ability to read and interpret report results and take action depending on those results. They are looking for someone who has experience in digital marketing, SEO, and Google Analytics, someone who's proficient with the Google Analytics tool, that's an online web tool, someone who has great website analysis or SEO tools, including SEMrush or other SEO tools that are available. Those are paid tools. They do offer free versions sometimes. If you've ever ran a website or tried to do a blog or anything online, you may be familiar with those. They're also looking, even though they are hiring worldwide, they're looking for someone who has written and verbal English fluency. Now, if you keep scrolling down on their website, they do say that they have competitive salary, although, of course, they don't list that because that is dependent, again, on location and experience. But they do start you off with a month of paid time off. They said they have a personal development fund. They have tenure-based rewards, so you get rewarded for staying long term. They have family leave, and they have great culture and community. And last but not least, if you are into games in the gaming community, this might be a position for you. DECA Games is hiring a game producer. So they are looking for a producer to manage the production schedule and make sure everything is going within the budget and coordinate the development process. You'll be an interface between GM teams, RCS, QA, and production to make sure that communication between the teams is running great. You'll create and ensure that the product plans are understood. You'll monitor all stages of the game production. You'll provide the production overview to the stakeholders, as well as control the budget. Now, they are looking for someone who has 2 to 3 years of experience in games, who has a passion for managing and developing people, experience in leading delivery of services, They're also looking for someone who has the ability to meet deadlines and has great organization and communication skills. Now, of course, again, they do not state the salary. However, they have flexible work hours. They support a work-life balance. It says you would be working in a multicultural environment. They currently have people in over 20 different countries working for them, and they have an open door policy. As always, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. And please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you are looking for, because I always read the comments and keep that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.